Welcome to Gardener Keep. My husband Jared just went through and tilled up the garden. I know a lot of people are like, don't till, but I wanted to show you why. So as you can see the rocks, our ground here in Arizona is rocks. I mean, that's ridiculous. We've been gardening in this spot for going on 4 years now, and we still get that many rocks. So we till simply so we can add nutrients, because it's nothing, I mean, it'll clump together, but it falls apart as soon as you drop it. It's just not good soil. This is why we till. We till in the fall after the garden dies. We till mid-December when we till in nutrients. It also helps get out all the giant rocks, and then we'll till again in the spring right before we start planting everything. So we're out here. My husband got these finished. These are the hoops for our shade coverings for this next summer. As you can see, we've only got one row done, but he drove the T-post into the ground, and then this is the electrical conduit that is actually sun resistant. It costs a little bit more than PVC, but it'll last a lot longer out here in this Arizona sun. This is the first row done. We'll do probably 4 of them just to see if it actually helps before we do the entire garden. If you guys have any questions, reach out. Don't be shy. Like my page, subscribe to me here on YouTube, and find me on Facebook at Gardener Keep LLC.